Hello, good day. I'm Oliver from Token Hobby. Here we will see for this K3362, this dump truck from kabolite, how to operate it and the radio settings, and if something wrong, how to troubleshooting why it's not working. Let's see. So radio on. First, power on your radio, then power on your truck. So after power on, check. So receiver connected to your radio, so will be red light, no flashing. And this one, the soundboard will be slow flashing white light. After you start the sound, it will be quick flashing. After sound system start quick flashing. Okay, volume down. Let's see. First, let's see the radio settings. Manual. General menu, and let's see the auxiliary channel. So from 1 to 4 it's not writing. 1 it is for steering, channel 1 steering, channel 2 the dumper, the bucket, dumping and pull down, and channel 3 that's for throttle driven, forward and backward. It will only start after you start the sound system. If sound system not start, you cannot operate. It is combined with this soundboard. So brake and engage gear, forward and then driver. So that's channel 3 for throttle, and channel 3 backward, brake and stop. Channel 4, that's for shifting the motor from reversing drive or forward drive. It's only shifting. So if you push left, will be rear drive, motor turning to rear side. If you brake and switch into right side, here, the motor will be going forward driving. Brake, stop, shifting to rear side driver. So now we will be driving backwards with the warning sound. Brake, slow down, total brake, stop. Brake, stop, shifting to forward drive. That's 1 to 4 channel. So channel 5, as stop, there's writing nothing, channel none. So no switch control for the pump to start. Only mix control by the channel 2 for damping. So pump no switch, but mix control by channel 2 to start the pump. Channel 6 SWA, this one that's for shifting the gearbox, low speed, high speed. But when you're not driving, the servo will not start, will not shifting gear. After you changing, let's say from low speed changing to high speed, only when you start slowly driving, when the motor starts to turning, the shifting gear will start shifting. Just now, it's already shifting. So you can hear the servo turning if you listen carefully. I will sound off, you will hear. Now, just now, shifting to low speed, now changing to high speed. Because that's the servo turning. Okay, that's the low speed. For channel 6, speed gear, servo. Channel 7, SWB, that's the differential lock. Differential lock. Channel 8, SWD, that's the light. Light on. So channel 9, SWC, that's the sound system. Pushing forward, horn, and then pull middle. Pushing backward, that's start the sound, then pushing to middle position again. Okay, channel 10, VRA, that's the volume. Okay, so I opened this cabin, so you can see inside how the wires connected, how to troubleshooting. So only the bumper, there have 2 screws remove, And then you will see this plate have 2 screws. Remove, you can take out the cabin. Also have this lock. So now let's see more. That's all the channels for control. And the endpoints also important. So mostly 100%. What matter is for the pump. Actually, channel 5 now it is 100%, but from mix control we can reduce to around 30%, 40%. Channel 6, that's for the gearbox. So 145% and 40% to engage the gear. Channel 7, that's for the differential lock. So 72 for locking it, 57% for unlock, 72 for lock. Others are 100%, so leave it. And for reverse, also you have to mind if it is right at this position. So 1 it is normal, 2, 3 it is reversed, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 all reversed, all normal. Only 2, 3 are reversed. Let's check 9 and 10. 9 and 10 also normal. That's the right control for the direction of each channel. So what's more, another one is the mix. Only one mix damper mix start the pump. So mix 1, normal 29%, reverse minus 40%, and master is channel 2, slave is channel 5, offset 0%. So this damper, no pressure release valve, no distribution valve. The direction of the oil going inside or going outside is only controlled by the motor, the pump, rotation direction. So when going up, one direction, supply oil go inside. When lowering it, pump rotating another direction, suction oil out. Now go to TX setting, TX set. Click, and we will see about the switch settings. So now you will see SWA 2 position switch, SWB 2, SWC, that's the sound system 3 sections position, SWD also 2, so it's all on, VRA also on, K2 on, and what is important, it is this channel number, it is 10 channel. So now controlling this truck with 10 channel, if this number you change, let's say 987, you will lost a few channel of the control, so have to set to 10. And let's go back. Now we will see how the operation. So steering, and if sound stop, you cannot drive. Yeah, but have brake, but no driving. And you can shifting to backward or forward, backward, forward, but no driving. So now start the sound system, you can drive it. So when slowly push forward, it will start driving. It's low speed. You can increase pushing more, higher speed. If you want, it is navigation speed. So if you're not pushing, it will keep this speed. And the steering. So if you want to slow down, brake a little, slow down, brake a little more, slow down. If you want total stop, fully brake, stop. Only after you stop, fully stop, you can shift in the direction to rear side driver. Warning sound, it is on. So driving backward, also push forward. More speed, slow down more, total stop, then changing to forward drive. Okay, that's all for this driving. So sound, light, volume, differential lock, let's see. And first let's see the speed. So fully forward, low speed. Braking and changing to high speed. Slowly driving, the gear will shift into high speed. Okay, already shifting. So now it's a high speed. Stop, change into low speed. Okay, shifting again. Now it's low speed with differential. That's differential. And stop, you lock it. Then you drive again. Now it's locked. Differential lock. Unlock it. Okay, slow, stop. That's for all the driving. And let's see the troubleshooting about this one. So if you sometime the hydraulic or driving will stop, means one of these power switch you switch it off, but it's all supplying power to the receiver and the system. But let's say if you switch this off, now it's off position. It's not right, not enough power supply to the system. So sometimes power cut off. So keep this on. Now off, you still everything have power, but not enough. Power switch on. Also here, this one must power switch on. Forward, that's the power switch on. So here, this one, that's the light board. This is the middle connection combined board. This one is the sound board. This one is the receiver. And here we got a combination. This one, it is combine the shifting gear of the gearbox to the driving throttle. So only when you start driving, the shifting gear will shifting. So let's see. And for understanding this one, this light board all connecting to this middle combined board. So these 3 wires at the top, 3 wires, that's for steering and the combined steering signal, and also all this steering servo, and then connecting to channel 1 to the receiver. So light, sound, steering all combined together. And the middle one, these wires, that's for the throttle. So the driver motor ESC from here connecting to this one, and then connecting also to this shifting gear board, also connecting to here to the sound board. So sound board, shifting gear board, receiver, all connecting by these 3 wires. And this one, that's for the light control switch connecting to channel 8, only one. So let's say if this board have problem or this board have problem, you will not be able for steering or for the throttle driving forward, backward. Or if this one have problem, you will also not be able to drive forward or backward. Also maybe not have sound. So we have to troubleshooting which one it is the problem. How to do? So you bypass it. So let's say you can connect in this, let's say the servo. This one it is ESC for driving. You can connect in, if no driving, no sound, you can connect in it directly to the driving channel, that is channel 3. You can connect this ESC directly to the channel 3. Then you troubleshooting which board it is the problem. Okay, let's say your radio all settings correct, but you cannot drive this one forward, backward, cannot start the sound system. What is the problem? So we can, let's say, so this is for the throttle, this one motor service for the ESC for driving. So first, let's see if the ESC or motor problem, you can connect the ESC, this plug, directly to channel 3 to drive, to see if you can drive. If you can drive, motor and ESC, no problem. Now let's see if it is the sound system problem. So this connecting to sound, it is here. So you can plug this one directly to channel 3, bypass the sound board, directly connect to channel 3 to see if you can drive in. If still cannot drive in, so not sound board problem, But if now can drive in, but after connect to sound system cannot drive in, it could be the sound system problem. Okay, let's plug it back again. So how to see if it is the light board or this board problem? So you can bypass it, yeah. So let's see, because this is the light board, but this is only a combined board, yeah. Combine all these function, sound board, light board together to the receiver. So the light board could not influence with the driver. So if this one lost connection, they cannot combine, then leading to the receiver also cannot drive. So after check, if you are after just now the soundboard, it is not the problem. ESC motor not the problem. So could be this combination also have a problem because lost connection. These three plugs not connected well, then cannot transfer signal to the channel 3. Okay, so for others, let's say if you cannot engage shifting the speed gearbox, could be this board problem. So this one, it is combined with the throttle, and you can bypass it. Throttle, you can remove it, yeah. And here, the shifting is channel 6. This is the shifting servo. You can connect the shifting servo directly to channel 6. Then you operate to see if can shifting, changing the gear, servo turning or not. If it is turning, this board could be problem, need to change it. So that's how these radio settings and this K3362, all this wire connection, how it's working. So if you still have something wrong with this dumper truck, you don't understand, welcome to ask me. I will try to make it work for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.